Talking during any part of the presentation is a vlogging. Much better. Let's do it one last time. Failure to turn off all mobile phones while being tortured is a vlogging. Fantastic. Plus, another one correct. Child is the breed, a 4-night Iron Maiden and 32 days of non-stop reality television. But after your 10th vlogging, you guys will be receiving a free ice cream! Well, too bad, I'm just kidding.
Get out here! Get out before it's too late! I need a bunch of chinchillas! What are they paying for? Oh, this is torture!
Yes, disturb my slumber.
It's me! Pinocchio!
Hey!
Listen, we must help these people!
Oh, we have guests. Hi there, folks. Welcome to Lord Farquaad's castle.
Please also check out some audience and choose your seat.
We'll be right back.
Kanina, no? Sige.
Let's do that one more time, alright? Okay, stop, and right. Very good. Now we're going to put everything together, and it should sound like this. Stop, 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 stop. Everybody! Hey, hey, hey. Stop! Oh, ha!
in every row. Do not engage it until everyone in your row is seated. Stay clear of evac's door when it is in motion. Everyone should have a pair of protective eyewear. Wait until you are seated before putting them on.
Good luck. All right, recruits. Ready or not, it's mission time. Glad I've got company. Now, put on your glasses. It's right. Here's the deal spark.
muna dun sa Maynila.
These drinks are your rights and all impact comes on the show.
And begin making our way back down the Singapore River. Have a look to your right at a Singapore landmark that really needs no introduction. It's the iconic Marina Bay Sands Integrated Resort, featuring